Keely.
And Poppy.
And we're the Swap Sisters. Today we're going to be making some Easter treats. So the ingredients we'll need is 2 bars of dairy milk chocolate.
We'll need some mini eggs.
We'll need some cupcake liners.
Some shredded wheat.
And a mixing spoon. First we will need to melt the chocolate.
And
let's
bar.
melt it. Chocolate's melted, we need to open up the shredded wheat and crumple it all up to little pieces.
Into tiny, weeny little pieces.
Oh my god, guys.
Yeah.
Crumple it.
Crumple it all up.
Oh,
Tiny, weeny pieces.
feels really nice when you crumple it, guys.
Yeah.
It sounds kind of satisfying.
It looks nice in the bowl.
Oh, look at that. Lovely. This is a bit like hay.
It feels like hay too.
Whoa, guys, look at that enormous. Crumple it to bits.
Well, guys.
Oh my god, that is
I have
so
put a wrapper
nice.
in there.
And we also have to have a fruit packet.
You have to open all of the packets until they're all done in.
Oh my god. Feels so nice when you crumple it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, this is so fun.
There's a lot of mess on this table.
Okay, now that's done, you need to pour in the lovely chocolate.
Melted.
This is going to be nice.
Let's pour it in.
Oh,
I'll mix
look
it.
at that. Lovely.
It is so good. It looks very good.
Whoa. Now we need to mix it. Now Poppy can do the mixing. Guys,
I might
this
need a
sounds so
little bit
nice.
help. We'll do it together.
Wow. I could eat this just like this.
I could just eat it now with the shredded meat. Oh, it's so chocolatey.
Chocolatey.
Oh.
Now the chocolate's all mixed in, we need to evenly scoop it into the cupcake liners.
And I'll be putting the mini eggs in.
That is crunchy. Super crunchy. That's that one. Now the next one. Oh, these are cool, guys. Okay, that's Steven.
There's the mini
Now
eggs
the
going in.
third one. Yummy treats are done. So we are going to put them in the fridge for later. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video of Swap Sisters. Bye!